something so amazing. So today we are going to be making a series of episodes on emojis because emojis are everywhere at the moment. You see them when you're writing text, you see here, you see them everywhere. And you know, to be quite honest, can't live without emojis, always emojis. So today we're going to have lots of fun making our very first part of our series, the smiley emoji. Oh, how exciting. And this is what you'll need to make our smiley emoji. We'll take the sunnies off. And this is just a store-bought icing with the yellow colouring added in for quick and measure. We've got our offset spatula so that we can place our icing onto our cupcakes. We have our modelling clay, which you will find in any supermarkets. We have our cupcake already pre-made, and if you need the link to our vanilla cupcakes, I'll pop it up here for you. And if you want to make it into a chocolate cupcake, just add 20 grams to your recipe. 20 grams of cocoa to your recipe might be a good idea. Circular tools so that we can cut out our emojis, and we're going to use another one of these to make our smiley face. We're going to use one of our piping tools as well so that we can cut out a little bit of his eyes. And we have some toothpicks so that just in case they get caught in here, we've got something to poke it through. And to place our modelling fondant onto our cupcake, we'll just need a little bit of water. And if you do have one of these, just a simple little brush. If you don't have a brush, that's fine. You can use your hands as well. We will need some icing sugar just to help with the rolling of our modelling fondant, and you will need a roller to roll it out. And they are all of, well, hopefully they are all of our tools that we'll need to start. So let's get going. so good. First try emoji cupcakes. Nailed it. But how easy was that? It was just a little bit of fun and icing, have a little bit of fun, make some circles, make a big smile, and oh gosh, they're going to be delicious no matter what. So, might bite into these. Yummy. Yum, but I bet you that they're going to be so yummy. Oh, and that's what you want out of them. Yum. I hope that you enjoyed spending time with me and making the first of many emojis. I swear I could go on, nailed it. And just a little tip before I go, if you are using the modelling fondant like I did today, to store it away, because you only just need the tiniest amount for these emoji cupcakes, just put it away in an airtight container or just in a freezer bag like I have, and store it in a cool, dry place. Alright guys, I hope that you have a great week ahead and you'll never ever know when one of these are going to be uploaded. Guys, there's not much to say. Au revoir.